So today I'll be showing you guys how to change your domain name server to an external name server, that is to point your domain to another hosting. So if you intend to host your website files on another hosting outside of where you got your domain. So for example, I'll be using Namecheap for an example. So here I want to point my domain on Namecheap to another hosting. So with that, you need your name, you need a custom name server for that. So to do that, simply go to domain list. Go to domain list. So if you are here to log in into your Namecheap account, then click on domain list. So as soon as it loads up, then all you have to do is to click on manage. Then by default, this will be set to Namecheap basic DNS. So meaning that is pointed to your hosting plan on Namecheap. So, but if you intend to use another hosting plan, then you need the name server from that hosting plan. So I'll be using Cloudflare for demonstration. So for my Cloudflare, these are the name server I've been given. So all you have to do is to copy the two name servers. So the first one, you copy that, then you come down to Namecheap, pick custom DNS. This will be empty, but because I already have it connected, we have it here already. So all you have to do is to paste it over the first one and the second one. Then you simply click on the green mark icon at the side, and that is it. So if you are having more than one name server, more than two name servers, you can actually add more. So the maximum you have is 4 name servers at a time. So anything exceeding that is unlikely for you to come across such. So that is it on how to change your domain name server. So once it is done, your web files will be hosted on another from that particular name server.